Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the course content syllabus of this ETL testing. Okay, syllabus of this ETL testing. This is completely online classes. So hope you have gone through yesterday class demo class recording. So myself Jayan Kumar and this is my contact number. If you are not added my contact number, please save my number to your mobile number so that in future if you want to any communication, any message you want to pass, you can pass here related to the course. If any doubt is there, you can ask me on this number. So this is my WhatsApp number, as well as you can call me or WhatsApp me. So this is ETL testing online classes. Completely it will be online. So we will have 4 people to help you get a job. Okay, so like we are 4 people, two more people we have added for the, like, technically they will take your mock group discussion, the placement assistance, how to face interviews, all these things they will also help you. Apart from me, they will also help you. So, coming back to the agenda of the course, we are going to discuss following topics. If you'll see my screen, my screen is visible, guys.
Yeah, visible.
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, so we are going to discuss about the ETL testing online classes, where like these are the course content is there. First, we are going to discuss basic skills to complex skill. Then data warehouse we are going to discuss. Data warehouse concept we are going to discuss. Informatica tools overview with the transformation logic we are going to discuss. ALM tool we are going to discuss. ALM tool is a test management tool. The SQL command, whatever we are going to discuss, that's your interview completely depends on your SQL knowledge. How much good you are in SQL, that much good package they'll be giving. Okay, and that much faster they will release the offer letter. So if you will be not able to answer questions from the SQL, so they will not give you, they will not take it as a positive, and they will not release the offer letter. So if you will be very good in if you'll be very good in SQL, and then it's added advantage. But we don't need very complex level of SQL knowledge. We need a basic level of only. But whatever the things are there, you should know properly. Then only you will get job. 70-80% of your interview depends on your SQL knowledge only. Okay, they will ask you scenario-based question and all, and we are going to discuss from basic how to write a basic query, single query, from there and to the complex level. Okay, so we are going to discuss a very basic query and to the complex level also, where you will have a basic query in the sense how to write first query, select queries and all, so that like no one should struggle. If you're writing first time, you don't have to worry on that. We'll teach you from the first query how the people are writing. Same thing we are going to discuss, and we have a team also who will help you to write a basic query. If you will be struggling to write first time, definitely you will be doing that, because whoever is writing first time, you may get confused what are the outputs will come, how to write query. You will not give proper space, a star will be missing, so many things will be there. So for that only we kept people to help you guys. Okay, so data warehouse concept, this is the full theory part, where like you will have a complete theoretical part of the project. Okay, project, how the project architecture will be there, how the data will flow from source to target, what are the different types of tables will be available in this architecture, how the designing will be there for this one data warehouse project. Everything we are going to discuss in this data warehouse project. So it's architecture level definition by explanation. SQL will have all the, how to compare data, what are the functions will be there, how to create table, how to insert data. So many other topics are there, how to join multiple tables, how to apply constraint. So many things are there. So I'm going to teach you SQL in a more depth, so that like you will have complete knowledge. If in future also, if you wanted to move to the development thing, then you can go ahead with the this knowledge. Okay, so this is more than substance, and SQL is very much important for future perspective. Okay, in future when you will be joining, no. Guys, go on mute if you're not talking. Okay, so ALM tool is a test management tool. How to upload whatever the test case you will prepare. You're going to upload there, and the defect you'll be raising it. I'll explain each and everything step by step. You don't have to worry on that. Okay, the basic Unix command for ETL testing. Whatever the basic Unix command for ETL testing required, we have a document for that, and you have to go through it. I'm not going to teach you this. So manual testing, whatever the things are required for ETL testing, that I'm going to teach you manual testing. Agile methodology, sometimes they ask question also from agile methodology. So that's why we are going to cover agile methodology. Project explanations, it will be a minimum two. The real-time project I'll explain you so that you, same thing you are going to explain in an interview. You will not struggle to answer the project part. Your roles and responsibility, what to tell in a roles and responsibility, what are the how you are going to explain the project, how you are going to face your all interviews, everything. There will be separate help will be there. Important ETL interview questions and answers will be there. Resume building assistance will be there, job assistance will be there. Okay, mock interviews, mock interview, your interview preparation sessions, others also will be there. So many things will be there. Group discussion. Group discussion will start from next to next week, so that like you help something some topics we should cover. Okay, then only it will be good if we'll have a group discussion, like some topics to discuss we should have. So then only we'll if we'll have group discussion, then it will be helpful. So in data warehouse chapter, I'm going little bit fast because these are all like course content we are discussing. I'm not going to explain step by step, but like I'll just read out in one shot, and then you can like refer those things later in the recording also. Okay, so data warehouse, what are the topics we are going to discuss? How many of you are from the North India? It's too cold over there. So 8 o'clock, I feel like too early for people to join Saturday, Sunday. योगेश, हाउ इज द वेदर? कैसा है वहां पे? ज्यादा ठंडा गिर रहा है क्या?
सर बहुत ठंडा इधर ही।
पंजाब में ना?
हाँ जी सर।
Tomorrow onwards will start 8:30. Okay, so that like like 8 will be too early to start the session. This is cool time, so people will feel lazy to join. Okay, so what are the topics we are going to discuss as part of data warehouse? Data warehouse architecture. What is data warehouse? Why data warehouse? Type of database. What is difference between normal database and data warehouse? What is ETL? Overview of ETL operation. What is OLTP? What is OLAP? What is difference between OLTP and OLAP? Okay, these are all theoretical, theory wise, guys. So I'll explain you with the real time scenario. Many of you people will be saying this first time, but when I'll explain it, you will understand that how exactly it will be. So with a diagram, I'll explain. It will be proper flow. It will be easy to understand this one. Okay. So what is data mart and all? Everything will be new for you if you are hearing first time. It will be new only. What is the difference between data mart and data warehouse? What is data modeling techniques? What is dimension data modeling technique? What is star schema? What is snowflake schema? What is dimension and dimensions table and its type? What is fact and fact table and its type? What is normalization and denormalization? What is slowly changing dimension, SCD and SCD types? So these are the topics what we are going to discuss as part of data warehouse. But first we'll start with SQL. So SQL we are going to discuss with these topics. Introduction of SQL, Oracle SQL. Okay. Working with DDL command. In this we are going to see how to create table, how to modify data, how to truncate the data, how to drop the data retrieval technique. This is the first things we are going to learn in this. How to write basic query, first query. Okay. The DML command, your transaction control language, data control language, all these are part of your language, which will help you to understand, SQL queries structures, okay, structures and how you are going to modify data, how you are going to delete data. Everything is very important up to here to understand the basic of your SQL. Then we'll see general functions. General functions will take 2 or 3 classes of yours because we are going to discuss more on general functions and case conversion functions, character functions, date conversion functions. So these are the things will take your Kamlesh, please don't do drawing. Okay. So case conversion functions, character functions, these are all functions. Okay, so functions will go for 2 or 3 classes. Okay, so when you will be attending interviews as well as when you will be working as a real-time project, no, there you will be using functions frequently. Number function, string conversion functions, all these things. Okay, analytical functions. This is very important interview perspective. In For the project wise, you will be not using this much, but for the project it will be important. For the interview it will be important. Data aggregation functions, integrity constraint, table joins, which is very important. Table joins are very important for the interview. My voice is clear, no, guys? You are able to hear it properly, not like less voice or more voice.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah, it's clear only,
No
Jay.
problem.
Clear, sir.
Okay, so we are going to learn table joins, and then in table joins we are going to see how we are going to join 2 tables, 3 tables, up to 6 tables. We'll see that how to join tables. Okay, so I'll teach you from the scratch, and I'll ask you to join by yourself only. Set operator, pseudo column, subqueries, what is we use, what is how to create backup tables, case statement, SQL question and SQL interview questions and answers. Okay, so these are the things are there. So for each and every topics when we complete, we are going to share you the drive. Okay, the recording of the classes will be shown to the drive. So we can create a folder batch 22. Batch 22 in this your guys, be on mute if you're not talking. Okay, so in this we are going to make it Oracle SQL. Okay, in this we'll have something like Oracle SQL recordings. Then you will have Oracle SQL recording, Oracle SQL docs, and Interview preparations. Docs. So in this, you'll have scenario-based question, complex interview questions, all these things. So questions, mostly it will come from this interview preparation session only, but definition-wise and syntax-wise, they will ask you from all these things. So each one of you, you will get access for the drive. Okay, so I'll share it in this, but first 3 classes I'm going to upload in YouTube. So you have to refer YouTube only, YouTube classes, and then from 4th class onwards, we are going to upload from the drive, like from the drive. Okay, so maybe next week onwards, we'll have the recordings in a drive only. Next one is very important topic, Informatica tool overview. So this is for the developers mainly. This is for the developers mainly, but we are going to run the workflow using Informatica tool. But while talking about the Informatica tool, there only I'll teach you most of the ETL testing scenario. Okay, so practically I'm going to show you that how you're going to write your test case, how you're going to execute the test case. Okay, how you're going to capture the test result, how you're going to validate the data, what are the different types of scenarios will be there, how you're going to run the workflows, and if it will fail, then how you're going to rectify it. So these are the things we are going to discuss as a part of Informatica tool, and it will be very important session. You are going to learn your full ETL testing in this Informatica only. SQL and all you can learn here and there somewhere also, but Informatica tool for ETL testing, nowhere the information is available. Only the real-time experience people will be able to explain you what we are going to do as a part of ETL testing. So introduction to Informatica tool. What is Informatica component? Informatica repository manager. What is Informatica Power Center designer? Informatica workflow manager. Informatica Power Center monitor. What is workflow? So these are all new things for this. These are the component for your ETL Informatica tool. So I'll show you each one of them, and then we'll tell you what are the use of the ETL testers. So ETL testers will be using workflow manager and monitor only, designer mainly for the developers only, and you will not have access for the workflow designer window when you will be working in a real-time scenario. What are the different types of job status? Mohsin, have you joined? Okay, so I call one of the students. Let me call him. Okay, so we are going to discuss what is transformation. What is transformation in Informatica and types aggregate transformation with examples. So I called one of his student who got job in a big company, big MNC. So yesterday only I called, but they were having some medical emergency, so they have not joined. Today they will join, and then he will explain how he got benefited for here, and how it is going to help you. This course, how it is going to help you get job easily. Okay, so just ask your question, but don't ask anything related to document and all. Okay, so experience document and all. Don't ask anything. Company name you don't ask, because these are all security based things like, if anything will come out, then it will be a problem because we are going to load the recording in YouTube. Okay, so let's move on. So you'll join in 15 minutes and then we'll have discussion. Okay, so what is transformation in Informatica and types, aggregate transformation examples, filter transformation with examples, router transformation with example, expression transformation with example, joiner transformation, lookup transformation. These are all Informatica tool transformation types. Using this, developers used to develop the mapping document. Okay, so you don't have to worry on that. You are not going to do as a ETL tester. Our job is very simple, very easy. If you'll sit for if you use if like whatever this transformation, no, developers they used to develop the mapping using this aggregator transformation, filter transformation, different types of transformation. Our job is to only run the workflow and monitor the job status in a monitor window. That's all our job will be. And we have to validate data in a database. So we'll be using database frequently. And if you'll be doing 2-3 hours seriously work in ETL testing, no? Like if you'll sit for 2 to 3 hours per day, you'll be able to finish your work. It's like that much easy job in ETL testing. You don't have to sit for whole day and you have to like very hectic, very difficult. It's not like that. It's so easy and it will be so like very less time it will take. Okay, so what is log files in Informatica? How to validate log files after job fails? Okay, source and target validation, testing scope in Informatica tool, active and passive transformation. Software in manual testing, we are going to discuss software development life cycle. What is requirement traceability metrics? Software testing life cycle, sanity smoke testing, regression test strategy, test plan design, test case design. So these are all questions they will ask in interview, as well as when you will be working a real time scenario. No, there also you will be you will be doing this, how to create test case and all, how test strategy plan, test strategy creation, regression testing. These are the things you are going to do there. So you should know what exactly this. So we are going to learn this one, do this one also. Severity and priority, test closure report, test summary report. Okay. What is agile methodology? What are the difference between difference meeting in agile methodology? Who is a scrum master in its role? Who is product owner in its role? What is initial and incremental load? What is FTP? Okay, so these are the things we are going to learn as part of manual testing, as well as these are the separate things. Agile technology. Up to here we have the agile technology. These are the project explanations are there. Discussion on interview question related to the ETL testing. ALM and its component. ALM is a test management tool. So some people they ask like, what is ALM? ALM is a test management tool. Whatever the test case you will create as part of validation, no, you're going to upload your test case in ALM, as well as using ALM, you are going to raise defect. You are going to raise defect on the developer. You'll find the defect. You'll find the bug in your validation, and you will raise the defect to the developer. So developer will look into this through ALM, and they will raise the they will like rectify the problem, and they will upload the code again. So these are the functions so these are the proper method we follow in ETL testing. We'll go one by one so that like we'll have proper knowledge. Python topics, these are the Python topics will in last will teach you. That will be the extra session. Okay, so you don't include in the 5 weeks session. So we are going to learn this one is an extra session. uh, extra session for this. Mostly I'll take properly only, but maybe 3-4 classes it will go off. I'll show you that how to execute and all. We don't need Python knowledge for any of your project execution or else anything else. But nowadays, like they made it. We are not using anywhere Python for our things, but we are not going to use Python in any of the project. Only we are going to use SQL things. But Python, I'll teach you, like if you'll mention in your resume, it will be added advantage. And when you mention in your resume, sometimes they ask you what is tuples, what is list, all these things they will ask you in from the Python. So these are the topics what we are going to discuss as a part of your ETL testing. Moreover, like we are going to support you after completion. From next week onwards, we'll start your group discussion. So once we'll have 3-4 classes done, no, we'll go for the group discussion. One topic one day will be we'll discuss in a group discussion, and this group discussion will be very helpful. So how we follow the steps, no. In ETL testing, how we do here, like how it will be improved, like when course will go parallelly. Okay, parallelly it will run the course will run. Okay, and then it will go for the group discussion. In group discussion, if you will be struggling, if your English is poor or you are not able to speak, if you have fear while speaking in a with the interviewer or anything, like it will be improved in too much, like your course content. So many people will give the different random answer. So in this also, it will helpful for you to understand. If you any of the topic, if you will not understand, you will understand in this group discussion properly, as well as you will get habit to speak. So it's not like first time you will go and interview only you are going to speak. No, you are going to speak in a group discussion. You have to participate in a group discussion regularly. So it will be very helpful. Everyone has to participate. Everyone. So this will see how which time it will be suitable for you guys. Maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or weekdays evening. We'll keep this group discussion. We'll see that one after 1 week. How many people will be there, and how many people they'll be comfortable in evening and morning. We'll have a poll, and then based on that we'll do. So once you'll complete SQL, we'll have the mock interviews. Then once you complete full syllabus, then we'll have mock interviews. Okay, and there will be n number of mock interviews. Okay, n number of mock interviews. So until unless you will be not proper, we'll take mock interviews. Okay, so these are the things are there, full syllabus. Then your resume preparation. I'll be sharing you the resume folder, like which is there in our driver. Okay, so if you'll see here, where it's gone. Group discussion recordings will be shared. Okay. Resume folders will be there. So here you will have all each and every people, how many people are there, resume format I'll be sharing you. So you don't have to depend on anything, like you will hold my hand and then only you will, like you will be able to proceed. Everything will be there in your drive. Everything will be there in your drive, and you don't have to look at me for each and everything. Okay, so everything will be there in a drive, and you have to just go to the drive and you have to get the information. Okay, so after completion of each class, I'm going to load your recording session as well as document in your what is that into the drive. Okay, so your batch number is batch 22, and like this we'll have. Then when we'll do the data warehouse concept, We'll have DWH like this. Then we'll go for the Informatica. Then we'll go for manual testing, agile methodology. All these things I'll create for you. And the class by class, it will be uploaded. So resume folder is there, your group discussion. If I'll be recording, then I'll put, but I started recording group discussion for few batches earlier. Okay. So what I observed, people like, many people, they were saying that I'm not going, I'm out, I'm having some work, I'll refer the the recording. Group discussion, what recording you will refer? Group discussion is the like process where you have to involve in the group discussion. You have to talk. So I stopped giving the recording for the group discussion only. You participate, learn it, utilize it, and move on. So if you not participate in good group discussion, it is of no use. If you listen also, that is of no use. So each and every one you have to participate. Okay. So if I'll take one of the things like this, your folder will be created, project explanations, and many people, they request for the fast track course. Like in fast track course means what we'll do, no? Like we'll provide you the access for the previous class recording. You will go through the previous class recording. If you are free for 7-8 hours, 10 hours per day, you can start preparing in that time, and then you will be able to complete your full syllabus in 15 to 20 days only, and we'll go for the job search. You can ask me your doubt if you'll have any doubt, because when you'll refer my recording, it's a class recording, you will not have much doubt. Okay. But if you'll get any doubt, you can message me, you can call me, we'll discuss on that. And moreover, we'll take your mock when you'll complete SQL. When you'll complete full syllabus, I'll take your mock. Many people, they go for the, like, they will request for the previous class recording so that they can start preparation from the today itself. They will not depend on the class, because class will go slowly, like it will go 30 to 35 days. So they will say that, oh, I want to prepare in 15 days only. I'm ready to give 8 to 9 hours every day. So many people requests will come like that also. So what I'll do, I'll give the access for the previous class recording step by step. First, I'll give access for the SQL, and we'll check each and every Saturday. I'll check with the people what is the status, how much you have prepared, how much we can take the mock interviews. So each Saturday you have to give the mock interviews, how much you have prepared for that. So it's not like you have subscribed and then you are not preparing. So that is the scenario we have. Mohsin, have you joined?
Hello. Yeah, I had
S-
joined then.
Yeah, Mohsin.
Sir,
Just
can I ask you one question?
yeah, Priyanka.
Sir, how many mock test and group discussion session will you provide me? And how many means?
See, mock interviews, I told a number of mock interviews will provide. Okay, until unless you will be not perfect, there will be a number of mock interviews will be there. Group discussion, it depends on the topics. If you feel that one topics to be discussed 2-3 days, it will go 2-3 days. Okay, if see for who is searching job groups, who is searching job, who prepared full syllabus, and who is searching job, for them we are making it cycle of 15 days. 15 days full syllabus will complete in a group discussion. Again, after 15 days, we'll start again. Got it, Priyanka?
Okay, sir. And what is the validity of, whole syllabus, whole
Recordings and
curriculum
all.
of this course? Yeah, recording and mock and group discussion.
1
Is
year.
there any validity?
Yeah,
1
yeah,
year.
yeah, 1 year.
After 1 year, will you not provide any guidance and support, job assistant?
First complete 1 year, then
Okay.
come back.
Okay.
You will
Yes,
only
sir.
not come
Yeah.
back to me
Yes, sir.
after
Yes,
1
sir.
year. When you will be working real-time project, you will only knowing everything. After that also, if you need any help, come to me.
Okay.
We are able to, we'll help you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Yeah, Mohsin, shall we go ahead? Sorry for delay. Mohsin,
No,
and thank you so much for joining. Yesterday I requested, but you got medical emergency, so I like it's
yes, yes. Yeah.
okay. So guys, Mohsin is the person who recently got offer letter in one of the top MNC. So Mohsin, you don't have to tell the how did you get the job,
Okay,
which company you got the job, and like
okay,
anything which will harm your
okay,
process.
fine.
Don't
Yeah,
tell.
got your point then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how you prepared and all, how this course helped you, how my helping nature and all these things you can discuss. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Not with
Okay.
related to your job.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah. So guys, he will explain. Okay. And then you can ask your question from him also. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Mohsin.
Yeah, so good morning, everyone. So basically, previously I was working into a marketing company. So I was thinking of changing into domain, like entering into the IT world. I was gathering information from here and there, which is the best institute to learn all the things and all. So from one of my friends, I got to know about the dance classes through Facebook only. So he suggested me to join the course.
Mohsin,
Once
you
again,
Sir,
can
your
you
voice
please
is
speak little
slow,
louder?
sir.
It is
Yeah, yeah,
very
sure, sure, sure.
and Mohsin slow also. Like I feel like it's not
Okay, okay,
coming out. Our.
Yeah, sir. Your
okay,
voice
okay,
is
got,
slow,
got,
sir.
got. So as I said, my friend suggested me to join the course of Zen. So I was searching for the institute, like where to join and all. I was previously into marketing domain. So I was thinking to change into IT only. I was not aware like which course to do, what all to do. My friend suggested this is the basic course. There will be no coding and all. Then easily you can anyone can learn. So I joined the Giants course. So initially from first day only, there was a topic of like theory and all. What I suggest you guys to do is whatever from the first day Jayant is telling, you just need to practice it at home. Like whatever the theory is also there, you just need to practice that. And about the SQL part, I will say daily you have to practice like 3 to 4 hours. All the types of queries, whatever the queries available with the Giant, also and also from apart from the Giant syllabus, like whatever you are available in the Google, Internet, YouTube, and all, everything you need to practice from the SQL. This is like the most important part of the SQL. And I faced like 10 to 15 interviews almost. Every interview, 80% of the syllabus, 80 to 90, or you can say 95% of the syllabus is covered by Jain. Best, there'll be a live practical session, like
Sir,
live
can you
practical
speak
session will be
slowly,
there.
and your background noise is also coming with your voice
Background,
and
okay, I'm at home
yeah,
basically. There's a
yeah.
construction work going
yes,
on.
and your voice is not
Can,
loud, coming slow.
Actually, I'm
Your
at
can
home.
voice
My
you
is not
speak
construction
clear,
work is
little
sir.
going on.
slowly?
Pardon? Come again?
Can you speak little slowly? We are not
Yeah, yeah.
able to grab you.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine.
Yes,
Slowly
Okay.
and can you speak loudly, sir?
Marketing
slowly,
Your
people.
voice is
speak
Okay, okay,
loudly
okay.
and speak.
I'll try to go slow. Okay. Yeah, as I said, daily after the class also I used to practice for like 3 to 4 hours. But after the job also like 3 to 4 hours in the evening, whatever the topic is discussed on the same day, I used to practice on the same day only. Like whatever the queries I need to collect from outside, from the relevant thing, from the relevant topic, I need to collect the queries and practice the same. At the end of that project section, whatever the Jayant is telling about the project, that helped me a lot in like tracking the interviews. There were the real time scenarios also. Whatever the questions asked in the interview, I used to discuss with the Jayant and get the clarified from the Jayant also. Like these, all the journey helped me in cracking all the interviews also. Initially, you'll be afraid of facing the interviews and all. First, I suggest that you prepare well and go for the interview. Initially, mock will be anyhow will be provided, but the real time interviews you need to face anyhow. You need to face the interviews, and then only you'll be getting the confidence to crack the interviews. Like this was my basic journey. I like 4 to 5 interviews. I got rejected. Also, then I got the confidence, like what all to speak, how to speak, and all. Then after finally struggling and all, I got a good job in IT. Hello.
Bro, your flow like a Vande Mataram Express. We need a express.
Okay. Actually, that is like natural tone. I try to control that. But in the interviews also they say the same, like go a bit slow, go a bit slow.
Yeah, Mohsin, you're
Yeah,
explaining very fast, and I told you many times go little slow.
yeah, actually, Jen, I try to control that, but I don't know that what is my natural pace.
Yeah, yeah. I'm like by by telling again and again. Like I observe in one minute you will speak slowly, and then again it will start.
Yeah, that is like that's what I'm saying. I try to control that, but again, it's like natural from there.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So you can ask your doubt from Mohsin. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Yeah, Mohsen, hello.
Yeah. Yes.
How many years of experience did you show over there?
3.8 years of experience.
And what package you got?
I got around 8.5, 8.5.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. They just asked me about the expectation. I just say them that I'm okay with the industry standards. So if you like, what happens in the interview is if you just demand like 10 lakh, 9 lakh, something kind of thing, they'll be thinking of that. Okay, think about that. But if you just say that, yeah, I am okay with the industry standards, like 30 to 40% hike on the previous salary, they will keep your point first only. Like they will not consider you for the second option.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Basically, what we need in the priority is first we need the job. Salary part that will be discussed on later. Like initially, if you get the proper genuine experience, then you can go any height with the like the proper salary after. Okay.
Okay, okay. Got it. And one more thing, how many interview did you face in that duration?
I faced like around eight interviews, 7 to 8 interviews.
Okay, so how many offer did you get out of them?
I got 2 offer letters basically. One offer letter was of TCS, like they were having direct payroll, so I didn't join over there. Second offer is this.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, I gave the interview in the Deloitte, HCL also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Understood.
Hello.
Yeah. Any other question, guys?
Hello, Mohsin sir.
Yeah, I'm here. Tell me.
So what is the course we are going to learn in this duration that is enough to gain job?
More than enough. It is more than enough to get a job. Like whatever the questions asked you in the video, this is more than enough. If you want to learn anything relevant to that, you can search in the YouTube and all. This is but for cracking the interviews, this is more than enough.
This is more than enough.
To enhance your
no need
knowledge.
of learning any other extra course to get initial level
No,
of job.
no extra and all. Extra in the sense, the SQL part I'm telling you, the queries and the queries part, that will be like different kind of query will be there. But in interview also, they'll be asking like real-time queries also. Like this is the scenario, how will you handle, what is the query, like this is the scenario, how you can do the input for that. For that reason, you can search online also, you can learn from the YouTube also the query part. Extra knowledge, for your extra knowledge to become the perfect, you can learn from there as well.
So to get entry, this is enough.
To get the job, this is like more than enough.
Thank you.
To get more.
Mohsin, this is Ranjit here. Mohsin.
Yes.
Mohsin, this is Ranjit here. Which degree you are
Yes,
holding?
tell me, Ranjit. Yes,
Which degree you are holding?
I am mechanical engineer.
Which year you passed?
14 pass out.
Okay, so you have shown 3.8 years only. Then what about other years? They have not asked you from?
Basically, they will not ask in interview. If at all they ask, you need to show that I was handling my family business. I said the same that I was handling a family business. After that, I got an opportunity to enter into IT. He was okay with that. Previously, they will not ask, but this is the answer you need to tell them.
Okay. That's why I actually you were doing earlier marketing job. Now you are doing IT job.
Yeah.
So they can arrange questions now.
Yeah, surely they can arrange. Even they will be knowing that many people are shifting from the marketing domain to like, they will be knowing. They'll be just checking about the skills and all, whether you have the proper skills or not. They'll be just checking that. They need that only. According to that, they'll be giving you a job.
So during your interview, how many panel members are there?
Initially, first basic HR round will happen, and they'll schedule the interview. In the second round, manager will be there. Sometimes HR will be. Sometimes 3 person will be there.
So directly you have faced the HR round, and after that manager round. No technical rounds happened to you?
Technical round in the sense manager round itself. Manager will take the technical round.
What he mean to say that his interview got scheduled through the HR called and then interview schedule. Then when you'll attend the virtual interview, no, there one interview who will take your interview, that person will be there. Apart from that, HR also will join for 5-10 minutes. Whether the same candidate is there, no, they will take your photo in the virtual. Okay, because your video will be on. other person also will be there. So 2 person combinedly they will take your interview. Sometimes
Yes.
alone 1 person will take your interview. He will only
Yes.
take the pictures and all. Okay. So
Yes.
this is the
Exactly,
scenario happening.
Jan sir. Nowadays, the interview can recorded also and they have to capture pictures of interviewer and
Yes,
interview
same thing
person
happening.
also.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Either
yeah.
it will be done through the HR or the interviewer who will be taking your interview. They will take your screenshot for the future purpose when you will be joining. The same candidate gave interview or not.
Yes. Yes.
So, Mohsin, last question. What
Yes, please.
interviewer people have seen in you that you are the correct person to select?
How can he say?
Okay.
No, I'll try to say that. Previously, like I was not getting the confidence and all to speak. When I faced the interviews, I got the confidence and I showed them that I'm the perfect person to fit for the job, particular job. And I said that about the salary part. Like he asked, like, what are your expectation and all. I said the same, like 30 to 40% high on the previous salary. I'm okay with the industry standards, like 3 to 4 years category, whatever the salary you're offering. I'm okay with that. This was my basic answer.
But
So
Mohsin,
we were okay with that.
you said this one, but what like they will feel, no, that is the different thing. Like if you will perform
Yes.
technically
Yes, that's what I'm
good,
saying. Yes.
if you
What they have
perform,
seen in you? I just asked that.
I cannot say that what he has seen in me, I cannot say that, right?
and
He
moreover,
Hi,
like
selected
Mohsin.
me.
if your communication is not good and you are technically very sound, they will consider your profile. It's not like they will reject you.
Yes,
If your
yes, current
knowledge
is
is
very
very
correct.
good, no, they will take you. My personal experience is like that.
Main
Yes,
thing
yes,
is,
that is
sir,
it.
requirement. If requirement is high, they can ignore anything. But the requirement is not there, they will look main deeper.
Ranjit sir, in one
Yes,
Hi,
application,
Yeah, it
100
will not like
people will be there.
that.
it will be not like that.
Yeah, yes, my experience, it will not be like that. If it is even requirement is high, also they will not accept whatever we are saying. They only look for an technical things, whether we can able to answer the things what they are looking for.
Yes.
So
Yes.
if it is done
If
partially or else 70% we are able to answer that question, then only they can accept.
yes,
Out
Ranjit.
of
It's
10,
not
yes,
like
70%.
someone they will take it from the market and then they will fill the requirement. It's not like that.
Nothing like
If you
that.
are technically sound, then only they will take on the requirement because you know like how much billing they will get from the client. So 50-60 lakhs per person they will be getting the billing for 1 person. If you will join in any IT company, if Mohsin is joined, so Mohsin how much he's getting paid? 8.5 something. So they will
Yes.
do billing of 30, 40, 50 lakhs from the client for the same person. So they will not hire anything who is going to spoil their company name. So they will hire technically who is sound, and market. So many people are there who is like without knowledge and with good knowledge. So they will filter out with taking 10 interviews, 20 interviews until unless they will not get proper resource in like technically sound people, they will not get. I'll tell you one story. One person was there, like he was there in 6 months back. So he was working like he was practicing like anything. Okay, so he joined some of the company. He worked there 6 months. He was not able to sustain. Like he went through the proxy or something. So he 2 months, 3 months he worked there and then he come out and he told that Jain sir, I was not able to do the work. I don't know what to do. Like they have terminated me. So he joined here and then he really put effort. I just proud of him. So he learned SQL or other things like anything, and he got package of 15 lakhs. You don't believe 14, 15 like 2 offer later he got 14 lakhs and one other one was 15 lakhs. How much he sold? 6 lakhs of package he sold and 6 lakhs he got 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs. If you are technically sound, they will pay you more also. Money is not a problem in IT, but if you are very sharp in a technical, they will pay you like anything. Money part HR will do it, but if you will stick with your price, your project manager who took your interview, they will tell, no, I want that person only. How much they are asking, pay him and take him. So that is the scenario.
Hi, Mohsin.
Yes, tell me.
Was you get the job on the fresher and fake experience certificate, or I mean, did you have the any career gap that time after degree?
He explained it,
After
Priyanka, where you were. He explained the same thing, no? Like
No,
he
sir.
was having.
Actually, na.
Listen. He explained 2018 he finished. 2015 you have finished, correct, Mohsin?
14 I
Okay.
finished, then I was into
And
marketing.
then he was doing some family business, and then he got. We are not going to discuss that much depth, but he arranged it, and then he got the job based on that. And 3.7, 3.8 he has shown, and based on that only he got the job. I don't know, like where.
And he was, I mean, he was show the fake, I mean, 3.8 year experience.
Yes.
What is the meaning of fake, Priyanka? I mean, like
No,
everyone
not a
has to
fake, sir.
establish.
No, not a experience. I know, not a mean of that.
Just
Just for my concern, sir.
yeah, go ahead. Okay, Mohsin, thank you so much. I hope
Thank
your
you, thanks,
answer.
sir.
I requested
Thank
one
you.
more person.
Okay.
Okay, she has not joined yet. She told 9 o'clock she will join. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, Mohsin, and all the very
Thank you, sir.
best. Okay.
And all the best for everyone. Try your best and you'll be landing a job.
Yeah. And future, if anyone will need help, refer your here as well as you know.
Sure. I'll be forwarding you any like vacancies and all. You can refer the candidates. Okay?
Yeah, sure, Mohsin.
Okay, sure. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Mohsin. If you want, you can be in a call, or if you want, you can drop.
No, it's okay. I'm just kidding. Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. They will not ask you anything. But if for mentioning in a resume purpose, we are going to learn this.
I've seen this, like except oops concept, everything is there in Python.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
if anybody will learn oops as well with Python, that's
Python, see, you have to focus for another 1 month on this part only. You don't have to focus on Python and all.
Yes.
Getting this, whatever the syllabus we have told, this is more than like 1 month. It will take you. If you'll give 3-4 hours every day, it will take your 1 month to prepare full. If you'll give 7 to 8 hours, you will be able to finish in 18 days. If you'll give 9 hours, 10 hours, you will be able to finish in 12 to 15 days, full syllabus.
Okay. By any chance, there is like I have 5 years of experience in testing. By any chance, I'll be able to get 20 LP like you have seen.
Definitely. You will get 12 lakhs. See, initial package you can get 60%, 50% hike. So it will be how much? Like 18, 19. And
Yes.
then a counter offer letter up to 23, 24 you will reach.
Yes. That is what I am targeting actually.
I have seen a person 3 years back. 3 years back, it was not so demanded. Like they were not paying more. Nowadays they are paying more. But 3 years back, person with 7 years of experience, and he was able to manage 25 lakhs that time. 3 years back, people were not paying more. 7 years of experience, 25 he got, and nowadays they are paying more. Nowadays 7 years, 8 years, you can expect 28, 29, 30 also they will pay. But it's again depends on that person, how you deal with HR and how many counter offers you will have.
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Jayant,
That counter offers,
Jamna here.
many offers you will get it if you will technically, if you will be very sound. Whatever the topics is there, if you will be explaining calmly in a detailed level and properly, then definitely you are going to get 40 lakhs. I've seen people with in India, they have 8 years of experience and 45 lakhs of packages there.
Yes, people are getting that. Yes.
So you will get it. There is no problem in the package in IT. If you'll go UK and all, they will pay you 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, like that they are paying the same skills.
Yeah, Jayant, I have one question.
Yeah, Jamna, tell me.
So if you are getting a more package like 20 lakhs like that, so did they expecting us in this lead position, manager position like that, or what will be our role if we are getting higher package?
Yeah, see, it's up to you. If you don't want to take a manager level of position, you don't take it. You tell that I'll be into technical contributor only. Like I'll be, but at least you have to. A package is not a problem, but number of years it will be problem. Like if you have 11, 12 years of experience, then they will expect you something like you have to handle the team at least. Okay. If you are good in a managerial kind of things also, they'll tell you that manage the team also. Sindhuja, you have joined?
Yeah, Jayant, I have joined.
Okay. So guys, another person, Sindhuja. So she got 2 offer letter. Okay. And she technically so good, and I assigned her to take prepare other people. We have 100 people who are there in a job search group. Okay. So I have assigned her, just utilize them and then motivate them to prepare well and get into the interview, and help them what are the questions they are asking in the way you are explaining the syllabus and all. So she got 2 offer letter. You can ask question from her. Like Sindhuja, can you tell how you prepare your syllabus like here, and how it help you to get the offer letter?
Yeah, Jayant, sure. Hello, guys. This is Sindhuja. I have got to know about Jayant through my friend. Before joining, I don't know what SQL is. Like, I'm an engineering background only, but I'm from electronics stream, so I have no idea about SQL. Here, joined as a fresher, and I have learned anything through the fast track program. So I could complete the syllabus within 15 days only. I have just followed the Jayant instructions. He'll be providing us notes, which is very good. We'll be getting all the questions for the interview from those notes only. He'll even be providing us the what are the questions asked for, like 80% of the questions will be from his interview questions only. And mainly we need to concentrate on the query part, which is very important. That also Jayant will be providing around us 236 queries. If we practice them, we'll be mastering in SQL. There we can answer any question regarding SQL. And apart from that, project explanation would also be very clear for us. Yeah, by completing the syllabus in 15 days, and in another 15 days, I have cracked 2 interviews, and now I have 2 offers in my hand.
Yes, Sindhuja, go ahead.
Hi, Sindhuja, may I know the packages you have and how many experience you have mentioned?
Yeah, I have kept 4 years. One package is 10.5 and another is 12 LPA.
So once she got a permanent position with one big MNC, so I told her to not to join there. It will be so risky. Other one is like she'll be joining soon. So yeah, guys, anything else you want to add, Sindhuja?
Yeah, like this course is very helpful, and if we just follow the Jayant instructions, we can definitely get a job. But our contribution is very important. The way we contribute, that leads us to get a job. Yeah, guys, if you have any queries, you can ask me.
Go ahead, guys.
Yeah, Sindhuja.
Yeah.
So if we have an high experience like 9, 10, 10 plus experience, so in that case, is it possible to get a job? I mean, because some of my friends are struggling to get, they are having 10 plus years of experience even in ETL testing only. But
Okay.
they are not getting much calls like that. And they are saying, while they were asking previously HR itself, if they are saying 10 plus experience, then they will be saying we'll be calling like that. But after that, they are not reaching them.
But it's like 4
Okay.
years of experience only.
Yeah, James should answer this. I
Yeah.
have 4 years of experience, and for 4 years of experience, we have huge number of calls.
Yeah, now I'm just asking. So in that case, how we can handle, whether we can put in less kind of experience we have
No,
like that,
Jamuna.
or
Jamuna, see, if you are going for the more number of experience, so it's not required to put less number of experience. They have many requirements for the more experience also. Now market standard is improved. You don't have to worry much. You definitely you will get less calls, and that some challenges will be there to crack interviews. Like package will be one concern, then number of years will be one concern. But like like client also, they are looking for the experienced people only, more than 7 years, more than 10 years of experienced people you hire. Like that client only will tell, because one person, they'll be paying 40, 50, 60 lakhs of billing amount to the client, to the company. So they will expect that I want 10 years of work experience people. I want 7 years. I want 12 years, like that they want. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Tell them to keep searching. They will get it. And December month, it was less call because of year end. Again, it will start from the January, February.
Yeah, hi Jayant.
Yeah.
One query. I mean, ETL testing is separate software is installation.
No, whatever the software are required, I'll help you to install that. Oracle SQL and Informatica is a software, but we don't need Informatica much information. So we are going to install Oracle SQL. I'll help you that. We have a video, YouTube video on that, and the document, step-by-step document is
Just only Oracle is there.
yes. Only that is very much important in this. Other than that, everything is very much.
No need to Informatica, right?
Any question from Sindhuja, guys? You can ask. Otherwise, I'll ask her to go.
Yeah, Sindhuja, I have a doubt, Sindhuja.
Yeah.
So, as per the experience you have mentioned, so how the interview went? I mean, what is the probability of questions that they have asked you in the interview? Like in SQL, how much? What is the weightage they have given, and for Informatica? So, can you explain that?
One interview, I have got like 60% of the questions from SQL only. And another interview, it went like 90% around SQL only. They have asked remaining about project management things, only few things. Yeah, they'll concentrate more on SQL only. They'll be asking real-time questions. Those real-time scenarios will also be explained by Jayan. Nothing goes out of the syllabus.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Sindhuja, after the training, how many days will it take to crack the interview?
Within 15 days, within a 1 week period, like for the first 15 days, I have been preparing and I went through fast track program. Jayan has given me previous batch videos. And then after completion of videos, he took marks for me. For the first marks, he told me areas of correction. And after that, he gave me 2 days of time. After that, he conducted another interview. Then he said he has helped me in resume building assistance. Once I have built my resume, he helped me to post in Naukri. After that, within 15 days, I have got 2 calls. And I have attended only 2 interviews. I have cracked those both interviews.
And guys, whatever, like, see, one thing about her, I want to tell, like, I like, she is one of the best student of mine. Like, 15 days, I thought like 1 week she finished SQL, and then she told me that, Jen sir, can you take my mock? I told, "Oh, so soon, how you finished it?" She told, no, I was giving 9-10 hours every day, and I am able to finish in 1 week only full SQL. I took interviews, and then I was surprised that the way she explained all the topics, no, it was nice. Like, that much of hard work I'm expecting for everyone. And still I'm saying that's what I have assigned her to help other people with your knowledge and your courage. You motivate people, do like this and all these things, and she's helping a lot. I'm just thankful to her, and she's helping to everyone with, she's motivating everyone, like, and people are listening her also, and I'll be also taking care of the things, but she's helping other also, like the mock interviews also she's taking for the pupil, full syllabus and all. If anyone will have doubt, how will I get the job and all, that fear will come, no? She will help us to remove that fear from past 1 week, I guess. From past 1 week, Sindhuja, correct?
Yeah, Jayan, from past 1 week.
Okay. So guys, go ahead and you ask your doubt, and she really, like, if anyone will put effort like her, no, definitely will get job in a 1 month only.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Satya.
Sir, previous batch, how many members getting offer letters, sir?
See, December month, we did not get much. We got 6-7 offer letter only. Okay. But in January month, we are expecting more. Okay. So yesterday also one student confirmed me that they are expecting offer letter. The offer letter is in progress. Another student also, they told 3 offer letters are in pipe. So in January month, we are expecting at least 20 to 25 people will get offer letter. And in September, we got approximately 22 people got job. October again, it gone little down, 19 people. And then November again, firing was little less. So we were able to manage 14 people, December 5-6 only. January, we are expecting about 25. Let's see how it went. So if you will give 100%, you don't have to worry on that. You will get it, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Question will
Hi,
be asked from the
Sindhuja.
syllabus only, not outside the syllabus.
Hi, Sindhuja.
Hi.
You have any previous experience in ETL or any testing?
Yeah, I have said no. I am very new. I don't know what this SQL is. I'm an electronic student. The syllabus is completely new to me.
Okay. Jayant, give you experience for you, Sindhuja.
Yeah, we'll be having a team which provides us documents.
How many? You are 2018 pass out, correct, Sindhuja?
17 passed out.
17 pass out. So 4 years is put, and that you experience part and all. You don't worry. We that separate team are there. So that is the best things we are getting it. Okay. So we struggle for the same thing, but we are getting the best thing in the market, and no one will pay, no one will provide you in that much of things who like whatever the team is providing for you. Okay, so we are not dealing with that thing directly, but we got very good contact who is supporting like anything, and a big company it is going to pass it. Okay, I'm not going to go in a detailed level of that again. You can think in that way, you will get the best things from here. Even though if you look into the course material, the course explanation, as well as the other things, all support will be properly also, and we will be monitoring each and every activity of things. Okay. Any other question
Hello.
from Sindhu? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sindhuja.
Yeah.
So I wanted to know from SQL, what are the questions asked? Like mainly they are concentrating on.
Yeah, I have said
what
scenario-based questions.
A topic wise, like select statement, it is good. And other than like join or something else.
Yeah, you haven't went through the syllabus. No, once the syllabus is completed, you can know what are the questions are being asked. Without completion of syllabus, how can I say?
No, I have prior knowledge of SQL. That's why I asked.
Yeah, like majorly they have asked me on joins.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they are giving some kind of statements and they are giving input and output, and they asked me to write a query. What might we have done and what is the output? This is the output we got, and write a query for that. And they are not expecting 100% query. Like if it is around 80% also, they are accepting it.
Okay. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Sindhuja.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Swati.
Okay. After completed the class, how many hours you prepared and how you prepared?
Yeah, daily I used to prepare around 7 to 8 hours. I have a 1-year-old daughter. Whenever she gives me time, I used to prepare. Mostly I used to prepare during night, around 5 to 6 hours completely. Like, sir will be telling the class, no, after that I used to practice the queries looking at the class notes, and I even used to prepare a running notes.
Okay, thank you. Thank
Hi,
you, Sindhuja.
Sindhuja. Where are you? May I know where are you now? Where are you from?
Hyderabad.
Yeah, fine. Congratulations for the getting job.
Yeah, thank you.
Sindhuja, I really appreciate you. Even you are having 1 year data, you can able to provide that much of time to for your preparation. It's really
Yeah,
great.
definitely, guys. Our hard work definitely pays off. Only we need to provide determination. Apart from that, we'll be having a course material which is very good, and we have the best documentation team. Nothing to worry. Only we need to give our effort.
Yeah.
Within 1 month, offer letter will be in our hand if we give us 100%. Yeah, guys, anything?
Yeah, fine.
Anyone else want to get clarify any doubt? Neha, Pratibha, Nutan, Shapir? In message, you people are drafting so much message, but now you're not asking. Ahmad, you have so many questions,
Yeah,
correct?
hello.
Yeah, Ahmad.
It's me, Shapir.
Yeah, Sapir. Yeah, go ahead. Ask your doubt if you
I
have
am
any.
2012 pass out. I have been working as an accountant. I just like, how can I get a job? Even I tried in this, I lost my job in COVID-19. So from that time, I'm still learning so many courses.
See,
Still, I don't get
learning,
any job.
yeah, learning so many courses that happens, man. Like people will do Java course, Selenium course, or other course, but like the level of complexity will be there. But ETL testing, one thing is that your job is guaranteed is there. Only you have to put effort and you have to get it. How much you
Yeah,
will do hard work, that much faster you will get the job.
I have done very good job in it.
Which one? Which one you have done? Communication in
I have
IT?
done I have done Python
Python
course.
job. See, Python job is not there. No, Python where like Python is like they will tell they have the job, but Python particular Python they know job only.
Yeah, I just need some assistance about how to prepare a resume or something else like that.
Yeah, Python
And
we don't deal with.
okay.
Mm.
And also SAP BO admin, SAP
SAP and
MM.
all you choose it very high level of course, and you may be paid 60,000-70,000 for SAP, correct?
Yeah, I have paid so many.
Then that much of we don't need SAP. How many company there? That is just the old technology, not in latest technology. So
okay,
ETL testing is also old technology, but it's a business data based skills, correct? So your data generation is not going to stop. ETL testing is not going to stop. Learn. That's what I'm saying. That learn easy things so that you will get job. You enter into a company, then you learn, you invested 1 lakh rupees, 50 lakhs, 50,000 of rupees. Why investing so much in starting only? You learn it, easy things, you get into IT company, IT company only will sponsor your learning part.
Yeah.
Whatever it's a cloud and all. Everything they will do it. So this ETL testing, it's a technical also. There will be so many openings will be also there. So you don't have to, you just have to put effort, learn full course. Maybe your communication will be down. Maybe you will struggle for 10-15 days. But you should be capable of, if I'll get one interview also, I should be in a position to crack that interview.
Yeah, I will learn it. I will learn it possibly.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, Bharti, tell me.
Sir, can I say something?
Yeah, you are free to say.
Good morning, all of you guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, one of my cousin, he got a job in the same way. Don't fear, don't get fear. You put your efforts full of learning the SQL knowledge. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Bharti, go ahead.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. One of my cousins, sir, he got a job within 1 month, 13 LPA salary.
Where? From where? Like here?
But I
From
don't
my institute?
I don't open it anything, sir, because these guys are asking questions. No,
Mhm.
that's why I'm telling like this.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Yeah, don't think about in
Like jobs
uh,
will be there or not. Prepare well, you
yeah,
will
yeah,
get it. Job is
yeah.
there,
The-
100% job is there.
to
You
put
just have
your
to
efforts
grab it.
only.
Mm.
What he's saying, Jain sir, you can you put in that way you have to put your efforts only. You will get definitely job. Because of him only, I have joined in this course, sir. My cousin.
Okay, okay. Tell me the name
Yeah.
after this.
His
Okay.
name is Amardeep Reddy, sir. His name is Amardeep Reddy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine.
Yeah.
James,
Okay,
can I
guys.
ask you something?
Sorry?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Actually, one of my cousin, he's in US. Yesterday asked, what's the ETL? Hello.
Forward him the yesterday class recording.
Yeah, no, sir. Yesterday asked my cousin, he's in US.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, he's telling like ETL is the old software. We are not using that. He told like that. Is it correct or not? In the US only or in?
Old software, see, that's what I told you. It's a old software, but it's a business related data. You are going to validate as a business related data. Correct. You are not going to stop your transaction. Are you going to stop transaction in a bank? You are not going to stop. You are not going to purchase. You are not going to stop purchasing online. You are
No,
not going to stop purchasing insurance. All these things. So how the when the business data will be generated, the person should be there to validate those things. And nowadays, what I'm saying that 2 years back, I was also in the same dilemma that whether we have a scope for ETL testing, and I have joined data science course, but I learned it very nicely, but I did not get confident. But when cloud is coming into picture, no, with ETL testing, you have much scope in ETL testing. Otherwise, I'll only learn something else and I'll go off from the ETL. But I am comfortable here. Without asking, they gave me to a 22% hike. So I thought like, let's stay here only in ETL testing only. Because cloud is coming into picture. Now, previously, they were storing data in a traditional database. Now they are moving their data in a cloud. So, so many projects will be there. Okay. And manual testing also very old technology, correct? But still few openings will be there in the manual testing, correct? Is there or not? Java,
Yes, sir.
more than old, Java is the oldest one. Okay. More than that, any other skills are there, Java. But still jobs are there in a Java, correct?
Jan sir. Jan sir, Ranjit here.
Yeah, tell me, Ranjit.
Jan sir, you were saying that requirement is there. Still requirement is there. You
So
can say
many
like that.
requirements are there, not still.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
many requirements are there. You don't have to worry on that.
Jan sir, two things I want to say because I'm hearing for a long time that regarding package and package offer. So I just want to say, sir, it is clear that client side fund is there, like what we call fund or money is there. But sometimes managers are very constrained to offering the high package. So sometimes demanding for more salary will be also trouble. And
See,
second thing, I
Ranjit.
just yes, sir.
Ranjit, what is important here?
Hmm.
Do we have getting job is important or package is important?
Job, sir. That's why now I'm asking that high salary is not so easy to get. Also, that one guy was telling that he will targeting more package like 20 lakhs and more than that. So, and second thing I want to say, sir, most of the MNC do not release their offer within 1 month. I just want to say, on my knowledge, from my knowledge, that they take more than 3 months. Sometimes they take even 6 months also, like Accenture, Infosys, IBM, and this TCS.
No, it
So
depends on Ranjit. Again, it depends on the project requirement. Well, I know people got offer letter in IBM and other places. Within a week, they release the offer letter. Again, it depends on the project. If they need a person in a project very on the very like fast phase, they will release. They will do like very fast. If they will need some time. Like the new project is going to come, and then they need time. Then they will take some time. Like Accenture and all, they take time. 1 month, 2 months, they take time. But the problem is that if they need urgently, they will release the offer letter urgently only. But the thing is that we are not looking for the package first. We are looking for the IT company. We'll work 6 months or 1 year, any of the company. After that, we'll focus on the package.
yes, exactly what I'm saying, sir. You are correct. But most of the time, many MNCs has bench strength also. So they are utilizing that strength also. In case of emergency or project requirement, they hire for the outsider. They have inside so many resources are there, so they can utilize. But in case of more requirement, they are hiring from outside also. That I want to say, sir. I'm not saying that they cannot release or they cannot give offer to new candidate. That's my point, sir.
Yes, yes.
Thank you from my side.
Okay, Sindhuja, you want to okay, guys. So let's disconnect today. Tomorrow we'll start session at 8:30 only because it's a cold time. Yeah, tell me.
सर जैसे मैं नॉर्थ से हूँ तो सर जॉब के लिए मुझे इधर मतलब प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी सर?
दिल्ली उल्ली में बहुत कंपनी है ना, बहुत प्रोजेक्ट है। दिल्ली, पुणे, लखनऊ में भी बहुत सारा खुल रहा है, पंजाब में भी है, चंडीगढ़ में। So you will get there, but one thing like you have to put effort. Okay, दिल्ली में, नोएडा, गुड़गांव में बहुत प्रोजेक्ट है।
ओके सर। तो सर इस बैच में नॉर्थ से मैं अकेला ही हूँ क्या सर?
बहुत लोग हैं।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। What we'll do, like we'll start session tomorrow 8:30. Okay, so because cold is there, all the places, people are not able to wake up at 8 o'clock, I guess. So let's start 8:30 to 10:30 tomorrow. 1.5 to 2 hour sessions will be there, and we'll start from the course material only directly. So tomorrow I'm going to explain your ETL testing from the SQL part. SQL part I'm going to explain. From the roadmap we'll start, and then we'll go each topic by topic, and we'll start from the introduction to SQL tomorrow morning. Okay, and tomorrow morning onwards our actual class will start. Yeah, guys. Yeah, anyone is having any... Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. So from our discussion today, we came to know that SQL is the main part that we have to learn in this course.
Yes, yes. SQL is major thing in this, because any data validation, no, any kind of data, SQL will be very, very important.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Sindhuja, if you want, you can drop, and thank you so much for joining, and all the very best, okay, for your future.
Thank you, Jain. Bye.
Provide your support to others and let them also utilize your skills, okay?
Yeah, Jain, sure.
Thank you, Sindhuja. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Jain. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys, so let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow morning 8:30, okay? Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.